Hola everybody, hola a todos, bienvenido a la clase de español this week. We're going to do something a bit different this week. I've sent you a Google slide. I don't want you to panic. It's exactly the same. So you've got your own copy. You can do your work directly in the Google Slides and then just share it with me. So we're going to start by looking at your rubric and your learning targets. Now you've got 3 learning targets here. We're only going to look at 2 of them this week, and I'll explain why in just a minute. So learning target 1, I can identify furniture in a bedroom and say what I have. And learning target 2, I can explain what a preposition is, and I can list some of them. Now, learning target 3 makes reference to writing. We've been doing a lot of writing the last few weeks, and this week I'd like to do something a little bit different because we've been neglecting our listening and our speaking. So what we're going to do this week is we're going to do some listening activities to sort of retune our ears so we know what Spanish sounds like. And then next week, we're going to have a go at recording some speaking. Okay? So let's make a start. So first of all, we've got our vocabulary. Vocabulario. ¿Qué hay en tu dormitorio? What is in your bedroom? Okay, so if somebody asks you that question, that's what they want to know. ¿Qué hay en tu dormitorio? And we've seen this word hay before. We saw it last week. It means there is or there are. So what is there? What's in your bedroom? En mi dormitorio, in my bedroom, there is un armario, a wardrobe, or we could say el armario, the wardrobe. All right, and that's masculine. I know it's masculine because it's got un, which is the masculine word for a. It's got el, which is a masculine word for the. And armario ends in an O, and most nouns in Spanish that are masculine will end in an O. Don't use un and el together. In English, you wouldn't say, in my bedroom there is the wardrobe. So don't do it in Spanish. You can either say, in my bedroom there is a wardrobe. In my bedroom there is the wardrobe. Okay? So let's move on to the next one. Una estantería o la estantería. Now, what do you notice about this? What's happened to un? I've added an A on the end of it. Una. That makes it feminine. So this is the feminine word for a. I also know that this word is feminine, estantería, bookshelf, because it ends in an A. Una estantería, a bookshelf. If I want to say the bookshelf, I would say la estantería. Let's take a look at the rest of the vocabulary. Un equipo de música. A stereo. We don't really have these anymore. I mean, I play music on my phone now, but back in the day, I did have a stereo. Una mesa, a table. If I wanted to say the table, I would say la mesa. Un ordenador, a computer. El ordenador, the computer. And this is a desktop. The word for a laptop is a different word. If you want, you can go to Spanish Dict and look it up. Una silla, a chair. La silla, the chair. Una alfombra, a rug. La alfombra, the rug. And when you're listening to these words, think about, is that word masculine or is it feminine? Well, if it's feminine, it's going to have una or la in front of it, and it's probably going to end in an A. So una alfombra is a feminine word. Una lámpara, a lamp. La lámpara, the lamp. Una televisión, a television. La televisión, the television. Una cama, a bed. La cama, the bed. Una ventana, a window. La ventana, the window. Una puerta, a door. La puerta, the door. Okay, so here's your first listening activity. What you're going to do is you're going to click on this little icon here, and as you can see, it's going to bring up an audio file. You're going to click on the play button, and you're going to listen to people talking about what's in their bedroom, and you're going to write the letter of each item that they say. Now, be careful, because there could be more than one item mentioned. Let's do number 1 together, and you'll see what I mean.
Módulo 4. En casa. Unidad 4. En mi dormitorio.
Página 66. Ejercicio 1. Escucha y escribe las letras correctas.
¿Qué hay en tu dormitorio, Isabel?
1.
Hay una cama.
Okay, so the question, ¿qué hay en tu